Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ken's Nick Tins here, and today we are going to make butter slime. Please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, I'm going to add in my school glue. With butter slime, always do white because it always makes that good texture, that really thick texture. So I'm gonna add it in my bowl and scrape on the edges to get all the glue out. Okay, so then I'm going to add twice as much as shaving cream. Then I add with the glue. So it looks like I'm making fluffy slime, but I'm not. Just wait. So fluffy. Okay guys, I'm gonna mix in the shaving cream to get that awesome buttery texture. It's looking really good. Okay, then I'm going to dye it. Let's make the blue first. After we stirred really well, I'm going to add in the contact solution a little bit at a time. And that's when it starts thickening up. Once it starts getting less sticky and really thick, you're going to start kneading. I'm so excited. And then if you need to, you can add more contact solution, and I'm probably going to do that. Okay guys, I figured out that we're going to need to add way more saline solution, which is going to be our activator to turn it into slime. Okay guys, I added some baking soda and it's really making this slime really good and stretchy. And it's activating it really well. See guys, once it starts sticking off your hands, we're going to start adding in the magic modeling clay. Okay guys, I'm going to grab my magic modeling clay and I'm going to add the whole thing in there, and I'm just going to start kneading and kneading. Okay guys, here is our butter slime. It is so cool. So right now, I'm going to be testing the poke and if it's really stretchy. It has a good poke. Whoa. It's not very still with the knife, but it still feels amazing. It is an awesome slime, guys. I hope it works out for y'all. Okay, guys. I hope you had so much fun with this adventure. Bye!